Hi guys, welcome to our Teach. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how anyone can use his phone hands-free. This means that I'm going to teach you how you can use your phone without touching it, using only your voice. Let's dive into the video and show you how. But please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you. Hi guys, here how you are using your phone hands-free. Step 1, go to Play Store. As you see, and search voice access. Voice access. Here is the application called voice access. You see it. You're going to download this application. After you finish download it, we will open it and show you how you can use this application to help you to use your phone hands-free without having touch your phone if you want to do something. Yes, here is application. Here is some permission that we need to follow. First we will click OK and then go to and then we go to here, install services, and then we will turn on voice access, and then we click allow, and then we click continue, and then we click allow again, and then we click continue again. Here is some tutorials that we need to comply. The first thing you will go to is say OK Google. OK Google. If you finish these tutorials, then we click continue. As you can see, we finish teach voice access of our voice. So now we are going to test it. The first thing is I'm going to say hi Google. Here how you can use your phone hands-free. Hi Google, 2 28. As you can see here, I'm asking her as I'm trying to use my phone hands-free. As you can see, the first things I say hi Google, and then I choose the right number which I'm going to Google Play Store, and then I choose the number which I'm going to search WhatsApp, and it is used perfectly. So that is the actual way you can use your phone hands-free without having to touch it. Thank you. If you consider this video helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like my video and share it to others on social media. Thank you everybody.